Good morning and welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. So today is the first day of frost, hence the balaclava. I'd like to wear it like this, but I think I'll start freaking out too many people. So today I'm down at the forest park. I haven't been able to get out in about a month. I tore a tendon in my foot. So today what I'm doing is I'm just testing out a new drone I bought. I'm not looking for gold or anything. I've no pans with me. So the plan today is fly the drone along the river. Just crack on with it. Let's go test out the drone. Okay, so I have the drone all set up now. I'm down by a river here. You can see it's pounding water. Should I be flying my brand new drone right beside water? Probably not. I'm just going to basically fly alongside of it, just simply to see how it looks. I can do an auto takeoff. Let me just get the coat out of the way. Tell you what I'll do. I'll stand in front of the river so I can be a barrier to basically stop it from moving. Then motors out and around. Good stuff. Okay, take off please. Left, right, backwards. No! Down! Ah! Is it still here or what? I'd hope it'd be stuck on a branch or something. What was I thinking? Straight into the river. Last seen here. There? Nope. That's so annoying. I mean, honestly, like, of all the stupid things I've done, and I have done some pretty stupid things, that's pretty well up there. So this is why I buy cheap drones. That drone cost me €25. So I'm looking for a slow down point in the river, just like you would with gold. So would it come down here, drop there, come there, hit that, drop down, hit the waterfall. Just looking for any slow down points. There comes a certain point where you have to just give up, move on. That looks like bedrock there. So that's going to be a smooth spot. When the water calms down a bit, I'll come back up here with my pans. This is a chute. This is a straight run. No chance for it to stop there. All solid bedrock. Under there, my nice gold. I'm not looking for gold, I'm looking for my drone. I suppose it's always best to look on the bright side of things. It wasn't the GoPro. A GoPro cost €320. Okay, right. How did I get in here? Oh yeah, it's walking upriver. Can we come up with any positives from this day? Well, yeah, the only positive I can come out of this is that I found where bedrock is. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock off the camera now, because the last thing you want to see is a 40-year-old man crying. Yes, that happened. Since the last time I was out digging and now I've turned 40. I feel so old. Right, I'm going to crack on with sitting on the ground and crying. Then I'll move on to the next spot where I'm going to gather some gravel out of a river, classify it, bring it home and run it through the cleanup system. Bye.